the last thing that goes through a bug's mind when it hits his windscreen? It's ass. Yeah, the old Highway 16. I haven't heard of any scary stuff happening on this road. I don't know who believes in spirits and whatnot, but I'm not sure if there's like actual scary stuff that happens or people are just tripping major ballsack when they're tired and whatnot. But I definitely believe in negative energy, kind of like spirits, I suppose you'd say, but yet to be affected by it, ain't gonna lie. Oh bro, fucking scared the shit out of me. Talking about spirits and whatnot, god damn. Uh-oh. I think fuck me, bro. I think we got a flat tire, boys. Alright, I'm gonna try limp it to the rest area. Fucking hell. Fuck's sakes. Well, my night just got a whole lot fucking longer. Fuck, I hope it makes it. Fuck's sakes, bro. Yeah, I can feel it sitting down on that side. Fuck, I don't think I'll get fuck. What can I do to take the weight off it? Fuck. Fuck my life, bro. That's gonna be expensive. Fuck's sakes. Fuck, that does not sound good, eh? Oh no. As long as it hasn't fucked my room. Oh. Oh, damage report in a second. Oh, boys. Where is my headlamp? Over here somewhere. Oh. Fuck! Moment of truth. Oh yeah, she fucked. She fucked. Can't see anything. Oh, what could have done that? You dirty cunt. Fuck's sakes. Oh well, that's fucking trucking, team. That is fucking trucking for you. Well, I'm probably out of hours by now, close to it. Hello Josh, how are you?
Yeah, good. How about yourself?
See, all good. Sorry to bug you.
You're good. Yeah, no worries. We're about are you just on Highway 16, are you?
Yeah. So you know, there's that little metal pull-off area, metal dump, where quite a few logging trucks would park.
Yep. Just on the on the Helensville side of the bridge, eh?
Yeah. Probably a K away, not even that.
All good. I'll give us 5. I'll see if I can get hold of Luke and see if we can go pick up a tire and come down.
Yeah, I think it might be fucked. I just limped it a couple, probably 500 meters, so.
No, all good.
Should be.
No, it's not. Yeah, give us I'll let you know. I'll just see it. Well, yeah, if I'll sort something out, and I'll just send you a text to confirm.
Nah, cool as. Thanks for that, Josh. Much appreciated.
See ya. Good up.
Oh well. Roger, team. That's my night done. We're fucked. Fuck.